Hi everyone, this is Heather Smith with Storyville Photography, and today I'm going to show you how to add some leaves to your fall images using the new Storyville leaf pack. So this is what comes in the pack, and each individual leaf I have a regular leaf and then a blurred version to help add a more realistic dynamic to it. Because let's be honest, when kids are playing with leaves and stuff, they're not all on the same surface. They're going to be, some are going to be further back and some are going to be closer to you. So the depth of field will just hit them differently. And the reason why I chose to do just single individual leaf overlays instead of creating an overlay with a bunch of different ones is because each different image, your subject is going to be in a different area. So you're either going to have to spend time masking them off or, relocating and stuff. So I thought it would be easy to just create single ones, and then you can kind of create your own look with these leaves. And it's really easy to just drag and drop. So what I'm going to do is just show you a few examples. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but just so you kind of get the hang of it. If you don't prefer the drag and drop method, then you can just open any leaf that you want to use into Photoshop and then select it, copy it, and paste it on top of the image you want to use it. So let's get started. I really like the leaves looking realistic. So you'll see there's a couple pretty ones in there, but most of them are just real deal leaves, and they have like some crinkles to them, and it just really helps add on. It just makes it seem realistic. So I'm just going to drag and drop one here, and you can resize it, and you can twist it, and whatever you want to do, and then just click out of it. And you can also play with the opacity if you want it to blend a little bit more and make it more natural. Totally your call. So there's one. Let's go for a blurred one. And this you could also kind of stick in the ground if you wanted. That's possible too. So there we go. Let's see. Maybe we could grab a full opacity on that one. And if you don't want it to look exactly the same, just kind of flip it around. Play with them as you'd like. There we go. Maybe turn that down a little bit. And probably grab a couple more. This is another fun one. Turn it down. And that's really all there is to it, guys. It's so easy. It's like unreal easy. A little floater. And also, say you wanted to change the color of one or two or all the leaves, all you'd have to do is go into your adjustments and hit a hue and saturation layer, and just click the down arrow on whatever leaf you want to change the tones. It's kind of hard to tell on that one because it's so little, so let me try a different one for a better example, obviously. Okay. Down arrow, so it's only affecting the leaf that I chose, and as you can see, it kind of changes the tint there. So you can go more reddish, more orange, blue if you want to, any color that sticks out to you at the time. See, that one's purple, kind of pretty, not realistic, blue, but pretty. So yeah, all kinds of fun options. I'm not gonna keep any of those because for tutorial purposes, I'm just showing you exactly what comes in these packs. So let's do one more. And there we go. We got a bunch of floating leaves, guys. And it just kind of adds to your image. A lot of fun. So before and after. You can find this leaf pack that I used on the Storyville website at www.storyvillephotography.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.